Hey guys, Crypto Trends Daily, this is Silverback, thanks for joining. So just basically letting you again in on my daily process is looking at the current trends on the top 20 large cap cryptos, and essentially this is how I start out. And again, this is just as much about education as it is alerts. Yes, okay, yesterday there was quite a few alerts you would have gotten through if you were subscribed to the Substack, telling you to get out of this or that asset. I loaded us up with so the assets that were outperforming currently back then, this time yesterday, currently outperforming BTC, because I identified that BTC was still trending. It actually still is. The stop loss we had yesterday was down here. This is looking at the daily on normal candles. So we were looking at this and this yesterday. And then obviously, so that's basically our view would have been looking like this, looking good. But I knew that when this candle closed, I would actually be moving my stop loss up to here. So today, and now I did this to myself before. You can't do this with normal candles, which is what I'm doing. You need to switch to Heikin-Ashi. So when you switch to Heikin-Ashi, you can see, yeah, okay, the volatility is in the same levels and areas, but so yesterday's candle that just closed is that one, and we were looking at this. So my only view was looking at this and whatever the current candle that hadn't closed was doing. So based upon that, I'm bullish. There's no wick below this one. There's no reason to move my stop loss up to here as we go into the new day. New day opens and closes, which is this one here, which is basically a doji. It's a green doji though. So, so what I would do is so obviously this is BTC versus USD. So this is the BTC performance. I would actually bring that up to just below this lower wick. It is still green, even if even if it was red. I would still bring it up just below the wick and let the next red candle knock me out of my position. I don't just change because the color changed like just a binary decision like that. I go by levels as well. So I'll follow these trends right up, and then I'll let a red candle come down and form a wick, and then I'm happy to drop a stop loss below it. And then let the next candle knock me out, because quite often we'll get these pullbacks where a lot of exchanges now, there's a lot of leverage in the system as well. A lot of exchanges will have this smash down. It'll come down to this level. We got him down here. I can basically move my stop from here to here. It'll often bounce down, not quite knock us out or trigger the stop, and then we continue on up. So I want those opportunities as well. So we're in a trending market anyway, so we want to try and stay in it and have those wider stops wherever possible, but we can't ignore volatility. So I'm moving the stop up to here. So we're staying in BTC. BTC is what we're trading in the BTC pairs. So again, you can see all of these are USD pairs. So I've got to switch over to BTC for the purpose of this video, and let's go through them. We'll go through and we'll have a look and see. I've got the portfolio up at the moment. I started doing it and updating it, so I'll just do it, but I'll do it live with you as well. So for Ethereum, we've been stopped out of Ethereum. If you want to look at this and see the blue line and the blue and white level where we got stopped at, and also the lower wick where it is, it's on the screen. You can pause and have a look or analyze anything you want to see as we go through. So Ethereum we're still out of Ethereum, and I'm looking through. I can see on my other screen that we haven't got any Ethereum in the portfolio. XRP, we're definitely stopped out. Just double checking, no XRP. BNB, we're over here. We did actually get stopped out because the actual the stop loss was there. We did get stopped out, and I did put an alert through for that. However, with the new candle opening and closing and being green, I'm making it as of now a re-entry. So I will go through and put a 5% allocation of BTC in the portfolio and see how this plays out. If it continues on up, we're winning. You know, if it falls below this level where we jumped in, we just jump out. So no harm, no foul. Then Solana. Solana is we were again. I'm confusing myself a little bit because I've already been through some of these, and it's the second run through. Solana did have the stop loss down here. We did close out with this candle here. This is tomorrow's candle forming. This is today's, what we're looking at today. So it has shown some lower volatility. So I'm going to just close the gap and go up and take the profits from there to there and lock them in so we can't lose them as a stop loss level. So we are. So we're definitely in. Yeah, we're definitely still in Solana. What I might do is I'll just mark these as green as I go. Solana, there you go. Doge, we've got stopped out. We're staying out. It's still red. ADA stopped out. Still red. We have a TRX is going to be green. AVAX is stopped out. We're red. Link, we're out. Stopped out. Ton, we're in. We should be in. And then Shib, we've been stopped out. Stewie, we've been stopped out. HBAR, I think has been going alright. We just got stopped out of HBAR, so if you are in that, make sure you take it out. Today's candle has triggered that, so you jump in and then the current call is to, because you got the crossover there, is to be out of it. So if you haven't got it, if you got it, sell it, and don't have it in your portfolio until it starts turning around. XLM, we want to stay out. DOT, we want to stay out. BCH has been, we're out. OKB, we're in. That there's now closed. There is a small wick. I don't know if you can see it down there, but I can, and I'm not going to ignore it. I'm just going to move the level up so to lock in profits as that continues up. So that is green. That should be green. Litecoin, we've been stopped out. Pepe, stopped out, and Hyperliquid. I think Hyperliquid is actually it's not listed anywhere in Pinex, so I might actually just include Uniswap just in case. Uniswap would be stopped out, I should say. So that's basically it. So based upon that, the ones that I've marked green here are the ones that you've got to make sure that I have in here. So we've got what have we got? We've got Ton. Well, let's go in order. BNB. Yeah, we've got BNB. Solana. Yes. TRX. Yes, I've got it. Ton. Yes, I've got that at the top. Yep. And OKB. Not sure if I've got OKB in here, because I checked the index to see what's actually the actual largest cap. Alright, so it looks like NEAR and maybe Uni might be. I'll see if I can change this. It wasn't letting me before. I'll just go OKB, see if it works. Oh yeah, that works. But I've just got to see if it accepts it now. So TRX, yeah, that's cool. Solve, yep, solve. HBAR, no, we're out. Time. Okay, so just got to make sure this equals 100. So it's 105. So that's to be 75. If it doesn't accept this, it means I've got to stop the bot and restart it. I tried to do this yesterday too. There was a problem. If I hit OK and then this goes blank and has a fuel gauge across it in a second. Oh yeah, no, it's working. That's good. It just means I can't add new assets, I don't think. But I can swap out certain assets. But I'll go in there and check, make sure that it has done it. Just so I'll stick with you for a second while we check, while it updates. I was doing it yesterday and it looked like it was updating, and I've gone back in. I mean, this is like a day or two ago. I went to bed and the whole portfolio was 90% in HBAR instead of BTC. I don't know how that happened. I mustn't have been refreshing the page, or the cookies, or something went wrong. So let's have a look, see what we're in here. Don, BNB, Sol, and OKB. Yeah, looks like we're good. And the rest of the balance is obviously BTC. Nice one. Okay, so I'll take a picture of that, and I'll screenshot of that, and I'll put it down below the article. So we're all sweet. Those are the proportions and percentages we want to set up as. I'll include the link to the actual portfolio split through Pinex if you haven't done it, or you want to stop your bot and just go back to USD, sell off everything back to USD, and just restart it. It'll come back up with all these assets. So yeah, that's basically it for today, and I will catch you tomorrow. If there's any sort of sells in the meantime, make sure you are subscribed to the bottom chat app, and any sells I'll send through to you. Hopefully it's not as many as yesterday. Thanks guys, I'll talk to you soon.